Dum da dum dum.
Hey guys, Sean here. X68. I was curious about which puncture caps, which adapters fit this launcher. Okay. Factory X68 cap obviously fits and works. Humerex. So this is like your standard. Wow, this is the older generation Humerex. It actually threads in all the way. Salt. I don't want to mix these up. I can tell the difference because my X68's O-ring is really nice and white. So X68, we'll put that one over there. This is a salt supply cap. Fits. Pro tip. I was discussing with one of my viewers, and the replacement X68 cap is $39. You buy the salt cap, it's only $20. This is the MCS Humerex tank adapter. I think we've seen the videos, it fits. Yep, no problem, it should fit because the Humerex cap fits. This ASA on-off, just kidding, no, it doesn't fit. Obviously, different threads, you can't, the caps are very specific. You can't just thread bottles into the bottom of this. I think you guys know that. I was just trying to make it funny. Okay, well, let's put a CO2 in here. CO2. Little dabble do. Humerex puncture cap. Something doesn't sound right. No puncture. Could you make it work? You could probably jack this CO2 up with a little bit of like a washer or an O-ring or something down in there and actually get this puncture cap to puncture. Do you want to? Probably not, but I mean, I guess if you're in a pinch, you could make it work. Cheaper alternative salt cap, $20 US. Did I oil this CO2? I don't remember. I did. I'll put it in there. Got this new laser on here. We'll talk about that in another video. Laser. Flashlight. It's even got a strobing laser, believe it or not. That's crazy. The heck would I use that for? All right, well, did it puncture? Salt cap. Punctures, no problem. I'm going to shoot off these Amazon rubber balls I got. They are terrible. They are like rubber infused, sticky, super inconsistent. I tried to weigh them out of this container and they varied from 6 to 6.8 grams. So I'm not gonna chrono this. 1 in the chamber, 6 in the mag. Before I just go and quickly bang these off, I did order all urethane replacement O-rings for the X68, and I will do a test for you guys, see if they work, call them out, put some links up. I think there's a few different versions of which O-rings are the best, and let's be honest, some are gonna find better results with particular sizes or brands or what have you, so that'll be coming, hopefully I get them this week. The other thing was, I started a video of disassembling the puncture cap. I still have it. it turned into like an hour-long production, and I don't think I want to release a video of an hour of me taking apart this cap. Let me just give you the rundown on it. Don't take your cap apart. It is very simple in its operation, but to get this spring that actually, you know, your degas spring where it has this little pushback, and set this set screw in the end, and this shaft that's the valve, I guess, or the puncture pin that's down the center of this has a flat on it that has to be oriented the correct direction. I got it, but you don't want to see it. Nothing in there to see. Just buy a new cap. Not worth the effort. Not impossible, but not worth the effort. Hey, come back here. I think that was the last one. Sure was. There was one other thing. This O-ring on the factory X68 cap, I measured out to be 17 millimeters by 1.78 cross section, which equates to a 17 by 2. I wish it was actually 2 millimeters, because I think if it was actually 2 millimeters, a 17 by 2 true 2 millimeter O-ring, people would have less problems with the cap leaking. I do have a 17 by 2 in my air conditioning kit. It measures 1.78 cross section, and by cross section I mean like the actual thickness of the O-ring itself. And just to show you, this is a 17 by 2. I'll put it on here. I think I got one more CO2 in my pocket. I do. Drop it in there. A little dab will do ya. I say that every time to remind me. Factory X68 cap with a 17 by 2 millimeter O-ring. No problem. If you can get a 17 by true 2 millimeter, or there might be an imperial equivalent that's just a little bit fatter, I think we'd probably see a little less problems with that cap. Although there is another seal inside here. See ya.